Environmental Sustainability Policy and Guidelines, C.P.Group. C.P.Group recognizes the importance of environmental protection and responsible use of natural resources. The group is committed to complying with all applicable environmental laws and regulations, as well as internationally recognized standards and relevant industry best practices. C.P.Group has also taken part in a number of global sustainability projects and is a supporter of United Nations Global Compact, UNGC, committed to upholding all relevant environmental principles and to encourage our suppliers, business partners and contractors to implement those principles as well. These efforts and undertakings are aimed at generating long-term values for all stakeholders and achieving C.P.Group's sustainability strategy and goals. To implement this environmental policy and guidelines, the following supporting policies have been enacted. 1. C.P.Group's Climate Resilience Policy. 2. C.P.Group's Circular Economy Policy. 3. C.P.Group's Water Stewardship Policy. 4. C.P.Group's Biodiversity and Ecosystem Protection Policy. 5. C.P.Group's Food Loss and Waste Policy. 6. C.P.Group's Sustainable Packaging Policy. 7. C.P.Group's Waste Management Policy. 8. C.P.Group's Product Stewardship Policy. 9. C.P.Group's Air Quality Management Policy. 10. C.P.Group's Hazardous Chemicals and Substances Management Policy. The objectives are to create an understanding among employees at all levels regarding their roles and responsibilities in environmental protection, natural resources, climate and environmental management, as well as proper waste and end-of-life product management, and to minimize the environmental impacts from our business operations, to make the most of use of natural resources, and protect ecosystem and biodiversity, in line with the group's sustainability strategy and goals. There are 13 guidelines as follows. 1. Strictly comply with environmental laws, rules and regulations, this policy and guidelines, and applicable environmental standards in all countries of operations. 2. Develop and improve the manufacturing processes, procurement, provision of services, logistics, business administration, product and service design, and other business activities, with the objective of delivering high-quality, environmentally friendly products and services to customers. 3. Commit to preventing impacts on natural resources and the environment from operations throughout value chain. 4. Encourage the innovation and technology development to increase efficient use of resources, including the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions throughout the value chain. 5. Ensure adequate, thorough, and regular assessment of environmental risks and opportunities, including financial impacts, to support operational decisions before initiating a new project or activity, during the implementation of projects or activities, and after the project or activities have been completed. 6. Implement management control of factors that may cause pollution problems for communities surrounding business operations and society in general, in accordance with the green economy principles in C.P.Group's CP Excellence Management System. 7. Monitor and follow up on environmental impacts from operations, and promote continuous improvement by setting up clear objectives, targets and action plans, as well as assess environmental impact to support operational decision. 8. Conserve natural resources through efficient and sustainable consumption, implementing the 9 R's principles. 1. Refuse. 2. Reduce by design. 3. Reduce. 4. Reuse. 5. Repair. 6. Refurbish. 7. Remanufacture. 8. Repurpose. 9. Recycle. 9. Manage and integrate environment management by working together with stakeholders and providing full support to suppliers, business partners, and contractors in the implementation of C.P.Group's environmental sustainability policy and guidelines. 10. Collaborate with the private sector, government sector, civil society, and surrounding communities to promote the conservation of natural resources and protecting the environment. 11. Communicate this policy and guidelines to suppliers and business partners to ensure that they perform in line with appropriate environmental standard and procedures. 12. Encourage environmental awareness building by providing training to employees, partners and relevant stakeholders. 13. Disclose environmental performance to the public in the form of sustainability report or other formats. If any executive or employee observes an action that violates this policy and guidelines, they can file a complaint or report a clue using the QR code that appears on this screen. The complainant or whistleblower will be protected, and the information will be kept confidential. If you have any questions, you can seek advice and suggestions from the Supervisor, Sustainability Development Office, Corporate Compliance Office, or the company's legal department before making any decisions or taking any action. This policy and guidelines apply to the Charon Pokapon Group and all its subsidiaries.